If you prefer one-handed typing, you can set your iPad keyboard to be this mini-sized floating keyboard that kind of matches the size of your phone's keyboard. A lot of people don't even realize the native keyboard on iPad does this. Go to any app where you'd use the keyboard, and when your keyboard is out, you'll press and hold this keyboard button in the bottom right corner that usually hides your keyboard. But when you press and hold, it'll show you a couple of hidden options. You can undock, split, or float. The floating keyboard will scale your keyboard way down in size, and you can have it floating on top of your app window. You can use the three dots on the bottom to move it to your preferred position on the screen and type as you normally would. Sometimes the full-sized keyboard feels too big, especially if you prefer to type with one hand. So this is a good solution for the moments where you want to reach everything with one hand. If you want to bring back the standard keyboard, just press and hold the three dots and choose full. Another way to activate the floating keyboard is to simply pinch down with two fingers. Your keyboard becomes small and you can later scale it up by pinching out with two fingers. Another keyboard trick kind of related to this is the split keyboard. This does the same type of mini keyboards, but it'll split it on two sides of your iPad. Personally, I'm not a fan of this one, but I guess it's designed for those people who like to hold the iPad with two hands and then type while holding it, but without moving their hands. And you can use the same pinch gesture to close out the split keyboard. Pretty cool, huh? Click the like button if this helped you, and make sure to subscribe for more useful iPad tips like this.